Hi there! Welcome to a new beginning with EnglishYaari. To begin your spoken English journey, let's first download the app. You can download the app from the Play Store or the App Store. Steps to create an account. Open the EnglishYaari app. Click on Sign up with Google. Choose the account you want to sign up with. Check your name, enter your number, and click on Create Account. Enter the OTP received and click on Submit. Your account has been created successfully. Another way to create an account. Open the app. Click on Sign up with email. Enter your details to create the account. Enter your name, enter your number, enter your email, create a password, and confirm the password. And click on Create Account. Enter the OTP and click on Submit. Your account has been successfully created. Now let's see how you can log in on EnglishYaari app. If you had done your sign up with Google, then click on Login with Google and choose your email. However, if you had signed up manually by entering your name and your password, then enter your number or email, enter your password, and click on Login. You have successfully logged in and you can see your home screen now. Let me tell you how you can book your very first trial session with the expert tutor. To begin with, click on Book Now. Select the book option from the pop-up. Choose the date. Choose the time and select the slot. Now click on Book Now. Congratulations, your trial session has been booked. Now click on Continue and you can see your booked session in the upcoming sessions. Let me show you how to subscribe to a plan. Go to the home screen and click on Subscribe. Select the number of sessions and click on Proceed to Checkout. Click on Proceed to Pay. Select your payment mode and click on Pay Now. You can see your active subscription in Subscription History. In case you face any difficulties or issues, feel free to contact Team EnglishYaari. We are here to help you. Good luck with your journey.